GRPN Groupon, currently at $3.71. Big moves over here. We've talked about this one then. Coming up off of this, I said a lot of interest here, and that was going to be on the 17th right here. And it made some moves. Let me see right here. If you break 480, could go much higher. You guys got right up to 80 the following day. No, actually, that day you guys got up to that high, and boom, it didn't. You could not break it. I said you had to break it, and unfortunately, it came down to the 10-day simple moving average, which you guys see right here. Once it broke that 10-day, right down to the 20, and again to the 30. Come down to the support around the $3.89 mark, back up to the 20-day simple moving average. Look at this, and then you got that eagle nose that I talk about right here. That is exactly what it looks like. So right here in this area, you guys get that eagle nose with that resistance level, the 20-day, and that support of the $3.89 mark. Unfortunately, right here on April 4th, you guys broke that, forming your next line of support down here around the $3.71 mark, which is where it's currently at right now, making that into resistance. Okay, you guys get back down to that, and then on the 13th, unfortunately, again, break that down to 360. Got close to again outside that upper Bollinger Band, and we look at these gaps. You see that all these gaps right here got filled about 2 weeks later. You don't normally see this with the big board stocks as much as you do with the smaller stocks. Okay, once they get lower, I mean, this is right now $3.71. These gaps get more and more frequent the lower and lower the price gets of being filled. I mean, if you look at a stock like Amazon or Apple and Google that are way up there in price per share, they don't really necessarily trade the same way. So I mean, this is trading more and more like a penny stock. Just my personal opinion, the way that it's currently trading right now, filling these gaps on each move up. But again, you're at $3.71 underneath that $5 mark. What we're gonna be watching for right now really is gonna be a break of that 390 for this thing to turn around. You guys are starting to rally right now. The first line of resistance that I'm going to be personally watching for to break is going to be 373, followed up by 383 and 390. Those are going to be the moving averages. You guys know, look at, again, with that 20-day simple moving average, you guys can see right there on how critical of a role this one plays. That support level at 360 is going to need to hold. In my personal opinion, if that doesn't hold, you guys can go down much lower. Your next line off of that's going to be about 342. So if that 361 folds, again, it can go down quite a bit more. I'm trying to take a look across. Okay, we'll draw that one across at 340. I think that should be good enough because after that, it's going to be even lower. So that's what we're going to be watching for with this one. We'll see what Joe has to add while I put in my opinion.
Yeah, I was just looking up at the news on it. They haven't really had any press releases in a while. So the biggest one that I'm seeing here is from March 13th. It was Groupon adds Joey Levin to board of directors, and that was on, like I said, March 11th. So let's see. The statement was, "I'm excited to welcome Joey, who brings a deep background in the digital space and appreciation for how to build fast-moving customer-focused businesses," said Groupon Chairman Eric Levakowski. Levin, 37, has enjoyed a 14-year career at IAC and currently oversees the media internet company composed of widely known brands such as HomeAdvisor, Vimeo, About.com, Dictionary.com, The Daily Beast, Investopedia, and Match Group's online dating portfolio of Match, OkCupid, Tinder, and Plenty of Fish. Groupon is an e-commerce pioneer that has changed the game when it comes to how consumers discover and transact with local merchants, said Levin. "I've been impressed with the management team and their strategy to attack the local opportunity and look forward to working with an engaged and talented board and helping shape the company's success. The addition brings significant digital and operational experience to Groupon board," said CEO Rich Williams. As Groupon builds the daily habit for local e-commerce or local commerce, Joey brings strong perspective and consumer technology as well as a deep strategic marketing experience, having helped build and scale segment-leading brands in hotly contested spaces. He said, "You will provide both a broad sense of space as well as a valuable tactical viewpoint on how to drive the company forward." So Groupon, it's basically Groupon. Is building the daily habit of local commerce, offering a vast mobile and online marketplace where people discover and save on amazing things to do, see, eat, and buy by enabling real-time commerce across local businesses, travel destinations, consumer products, and live events. Shoppers can find the best a city has to offer. So that's pretty much the latest press release, but I mean, there's more to it. Obviously, I'm not going to sit there and pull and read it all, but I thought that was, substantial because Joey Levin, obviously, he's is extremely intelligent, I guess you could say, and he runs IAC, like he does extremely well, or at least IAC does extremely well as well. So I mean, that's a great addition to the board for Groupon. So I'm sure they'll benefit from him being around. All right, if you have an opinion or you're looking to do more due diligence on Groupon, just go right over to the GRPN board. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on that GRPN board.
All right, all the stuff that Joe's talking about right here, I've got up here on my screen as well. The time and sales, a great tool. You can go back and view every trade, price and volume with the recent news, filings and financials. The news right here that Joe's just going over, you can just go ahead and move down. Look at how quick that is. Just clicking on it. It really makes it quick. If you want to go through all the news fairly quick, it's right there at your fingertips. Again, completely free on Investors Hangout. Now, if we take a look at the chart again, $3.71 buying interest is returning. A break of 390 would be bullish. Resistance at 373, 83, and 90. Support at 361 and 340. Again, that $3.61 mark right around that general area, 360, 361, is going to need to hold. If that doesn't hold, it could start really dropping from there down to about 340. That's just my personal opinion. Other way around as well. You guys break that 390, you could really start popping them off of there. We're going to be mainly watching for that break of the 20-day, and that's currently at 383. Groupon, GRPN. If you follow this one, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. If you feel that this video helped you, we would appreciate it. Get out there and share this video as well. The more you share it, the more it's requested, the more we will cover this one. And if you would like to join in on our live show, you can do so at investorshangout.com/live.